Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Broadcom stock, ticker symbol AVGO. Make sure you stick to the end of the video for my opinion on this stock. So Broadcom is currently priced at $317 per share. It reported earnings last week. Past year up 18.72%. Past 5 years up 113.84%. Scrolling down a bit, taking a look at the market cap valuation, $126.77 billion. PE ratio is 55.28 and dividend yield is 4.21%. Now taking a look at analyst ratings, 77% give it a buy, 23% give it a hold, and 0% give it a sell. For earnings, actual earnings per share met expected earnings per share of $5.14. Now, in terms of what Broadcom does, they're a technology company that designs, develops, and supplies semiconductor and infrastructure software solutions. They reported earnings earlier this week, and for their Q2 second quarter of 2020 financial results and quarterly dividends, revenue was $5.7 billion, GAAP net income of $563 million, adjusted EBITDA of $3.2 million, and as I mentioned earlier, GAAP earnings per share is $1.17 versus non-GAAP is $5.14. Now for free cash flow is $3 billion from operations, defined as cash from operations of $3.2 million. Quarterly common stock dividend of $3.25 per share, which is a great dividend paying stock. And third quarter revenue guidance of $5.75 billion plus or minus $150 million. Now taking a look at the slides, scrolling down a bit, from a glance, you can see that fiscal year 2019 net revenue of $22.6 billion, one of the industry's broadest intellectual property portfolios with 23,000 patents, 23 category leading semiconductor and infrastructure software divisions, and $4.7 billion investment in research and development. So a lot of money is going towards innovating and creating new solutions and products for their customers. Now looking at their history, you can see that they started off with AT&T, HP, some of these well-known companies, and in 1991 they rebranded to Broadcom. They made some acquisitions, mergers, IPO'd in 2009, and you can see Broadcom since 2016 and onward. Scrolling down a bit, you can see their infrastructure software includes mainframe, digital business operations, DevOps, value ops, artificial intelligence operations, automation, security and data breach prevention, endpoint network information, email and identity security, so cybersecurity, payment security. So across the board, they're in many of the online product space, so data centers, cloud, security, 5G, and as people are working remotely and things are becoming digital, Broadcom is definitely benefiting from that trend. You can see that the data center, they have networking, compute, and storage connectivity. So they have Ethernet connectivity, switching, controller, custom ASIC, optical interconnect, yada yada connectivity products. Scrolling down a bit more, they have end-to-end solutions, connectivity devices, customer premise, service provider, and they have a solid wireless device connectivity portfolio. Same goes for industrial automation and networking. And in terms of their fiscal year revenue by segment, you can see that infrastructure software Semiconductor solutions makes a majority of it, and then next is infrastructure software. And in terms of semiconductor solutions, it includes networking, broadband, enterprise, storage, wireless, industrial, and for infrastructure software, it includes mainframe, enterprise, cybersecurity, storage, area, networking. Now, financial data, you can see that its net revenue was steadily increasing since 2015 from 6.9 billion all the way to 22.5, almost 6 billion. Adjusted EBITDA, starting from 2015, you can see that's went from 3.1 billion all the way to 12.5 billion. Free cash flow, you can see from 2015, 1.7 billion all the way to 9.2 billion. And then from gross margin, you can see that it's increasing steadily from 60.6% to 71%. So great to see these numbers, the revenue increasing, EBITDA, earnings, free cash flow, as well as their gross margin is increasing. And they also pay a steady dividend, starting, let's see, $1.55 in fiscal year 2015, all the way up to $10.60, 2019, and $13 in 2020. So that's pretty solid. I think it's great to see that this company is growing steadily, and it's benefiting from recent trends in the wireless space, semiconductor and infrastructure space. They're also paying steady dividend, and I see them steadily increasing this dividend and also increasing their revenue, as well as earnings, as well as cash flow and gross margin. It's great leadership, great looking future, and I think this is a great solid buy. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Broadcom? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.